What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kanyam Unitarian Madan Laban Hagakat Pradrik Nailur, Kalarake Kalungkut Snem Kabashispa Laipu Pra, Nadu Balasengaka Hakatan Shate La Mingi, Jongkari India, Dakabapelong Yak program Bakerpang, Balawan Shimbenta de Kitkot, Kinongelam, Naluar Kibadan Kajingajan Bat Kabalang. Kani kajing rakhi kalong kung kapor ban aingu bat ban perkat lor kajing long bakordor jong kajingen kajing ateli ba kajing syakri ya kalong briuman briu. Ha kani kajing rakhi layadon ringkat ru udukot ke parliament uriki Andrew J Syngkon kum ukongsan bat uba Riki Shulai MDC kalaban mauprem kum usumbur kongsan. Dr Syngkon ha kajing Kren ulaya ro ya kabenta kaba Balang Unitarian kalashim ha kaban kentiau ya ke akor ke buram bat ke imlang kasaklang bat ban nok senyang sya kabaha kamiat jong ke imlang kasaklang ha kini ke snem ki balalit no. Ula kedau nuksa ru ya ke parshi ke Bible shaphang Nongsamaria babha da kaba penkesan baka ni ke kana ke peni ke jat beriu baper ha kaba iwei pa iwei la batai da ke jinglong jongki bat ke jingken to ke jongki ya ki weipat ki badan kam jingaram. Upen kan mau hapdeng ki nonga shimbenta baka kubor baka shisha jong ka parshi ka shong ha ka jingkot ban bod ya ka nuksa jong Nongsamaria babha da ka bapen paw ka jing sngorin ban ai ka kti jingaram bat yang teli ringkat lang. Ka jingkeli ka ba kongsan ka bangi day ban keli yala day kalong hatu ngilong kum Nongsamaria babha lakot ingi ban nyat ha ka ju ka linti jong ka jing syakri baka jing let sebun ulaong. Haka ni ka program la sakhiru ikajing raya ro ki jing duwai ba ki jing Kren na kinongelam jong Balang ki ba la pelet jingmut halur ka jing roy jong Balang Unitarian hapo kathan na du bala sengya ka palat shispa snem menshwa.
Teaches us that true faith must be lived out in acts of compassion and justice. Dear friends, this same truth, let me share it here, is beautifully illustrated in one of the profound lessons that we find in Scripture, which we all know, the parable of the Good Samaritan. In this story, which I am sure people of many faith, they heard and they know this lesson or this parable of the Good Samaritan. Well, in this story, Jesus Christ introduced three groups of people, each of them defined by their attitude towards others in need. The first one are the robbers, whose motto is, what is yours is mine. I will take it for myself by any means. This group of people, to me, and I believe to all of us are present here, they embody selfishness and greed. Then there is the second group who belongs to the Levites and the priests, who pass by that woman without anything. Why? Because their motto in life is, what is mine is mine, and what is yours is yours. I will mind my business, and you mind my house. Well, this group of people, they represent indifference and apathy. And we come to the third, that is the Good Samaritan. The Good Samaritan and care for his wounded spirit. Why? Because his motto is, what is mine is also yours. The Good Samaritan embodies compassion, generosity, responsibility for us. Dear friends, the message that we learn from this parable is actually for each one of us to ask the question. In which category do we belong? All of us are present. Which category do we belong? And what is our role in life? Are we like the robbers, taking from others without care? Are we like the priests and the Levites, ignoring and minding only our own affairs? Or are we like the Good Samaritan who chose to serve and to share what we have with someone who is in need? Dear friends, as Unitarians, inspired by Adam resourcing and guided by God's image within us, each one of us, I firmly believe, we are called to walk in the path of the Good Samaritan. Let us be reminded that we are not created for selfishness. We are not created with indifference, but we are all created to reflect God's love by caring for one another as brothers and sisters. And therefore, make this day of anniversary, as we celebrate the 138th anniversary of your family, make through this short message, remind each one of us to live by the Samaritan small. What is mine is also yours. And I believe that if our life, each one of us, if our life is guided by this small, I am very sure and very certain that we can build a community where love, reason, and unity will shape everything we do. Therefore, before I take my seat, let us all rise up. Let us build and be the harbinger of hope, of peace, of love and joy for today. And with that, I'm sure that all of us are present here. We can ensure a better and brighter tomorrow for all of us who depend on each one of us. May God bless you, and may God bless your congregation, and may God bless our nation and the world at large. God bless you.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.